Fika uyiqamba ingane uthi unothando lweqiniso. Bethi lide leli igama. Bayibize ngoluthando. Fika omunye ayiqamba athi uluthando ke lo. Bathi hayi. Bayibize ngolutha. Ulutha. Ayibize ngolutha, kayiqamba athi ulutha. Bathi hayi ulu. Hayi umunye ayiqamba athi ulu. Bathi hayi man. Khona umzali ongavela asuka aqamba ingane ngolu nje. Ithini meaning yalapho? Wengasho ngathi uluthando noma uluthando lweqiniso. Lento ikutshela ukuthini? People will always talk. Don't try to please them. Live by your rules, because you can't live by your rules and make everyone happy in the room. You can't. It's either you choose yourself or you choose people. You can't choose both. You can't. Umuzama ukuzenza i-social butterfly, you betray yourself. So you make a choice. You choose yourself or you choose people. By the way, people will leave you regardless of what you do to them. Will leave you anyway. But you can't leave yourself. You'll always stick and stay with yourself. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Angithi uyabona if you choose people ufuna ukuba relevant, ufuna ukufita in, ufuna ukuba a part of the group and make them happy, akhulume kahle ngawe. Kumele wazi ukuthi emhlabeni nje umuntu unendaba naye. Ayekho umuntu ongavuma la ukuthi afele omunye. Wonke umuntu unendaba naye la. Ufakazi walokho uyabona amaphoyisa ungawagxeka ukuthi wena yabribeka labo ududi lapha. Buka nje icala lama baliphenyile. Buka nje lo muntu lo abambophile uyitholele. Yabo ukhulume zonke izinto lezi. Yes, it's fine, kuhle vele ngobani kube uhethe wena kwabhlungu kuwe. Yes, vele kufanele ukusho lokho. Kuhle futhi you are 100%. But uma wena sekubhekene nawe ufuna ukuthi amaphoyisa ebe nefavor, angathi angavuma ukuthi ungalala esitokisini, angathi angavuma ukuthi isihlobo sakho noma ingane yakho noma umfweni angathi angayithoile noma ngoba ibail ivela yikho ezandleni zabo, angazi ukuthi nje ngakukhona ukuba leniyente okukhona ikhombisana lonto. Umuntu nomuntu unendaba nezinto zakhe, umuntu nomuntu unendaba naye, yabo. So bayokushiya ke labo bantu, uyobona nawe bokushiya ngelinye ilanga labo bantu, yabo. So if wena ngelinye ilanga you will betray yourself when trying to make them happy, it never happens. You can't live by ama rules abanye abantu kodwa ungazibetray wena. If you live by ama rules abanye abantu uzozibetray wena. Lento ifana ihamba izifane noma umphathi. Yabo uma umphathi usuku umi nemithetho yomsebenzi. Yabona mawuzoba umphathi kukancane ukuthi ube umphathi othandwa ayibona bonke abasebenzi. Ya bangashaya ngathi bakuthanda bonke kodwa bayakubekezelela, yabo. Mhlawumbe abanye bakuqhathanisa nabanye ukuthi ungcono kunawo bani. Kodwa ngesizathu sokuthi abantu iningi labo benza vele izinto abangazithanda abanye bakunqena ukusebenza kunento eziningi endweni uqhamuka nemithetho. So if you live by the rules, you do what you have to do, some of them won't like you vele. Khona bazokuthanda, khona bangeke uzekuthanda. So wena ke are you trying to tell me ukuthi what are you going to do to make sure ukuthi everyone loves you? What are you going to do which everyone loves you? Because if you you bend the rules umsebenzi. Labantu abathanda ukusebenza bazoxabana nawe ukuthi kahle kahle awukho qotho wena. Bathanda umsebenzi ke lapho. Awukho qotho. You bend the rules of the work. Bakuthande laba abangakufuni ukusebenza. Uthi mangabe uthi okay, angihambe ngemithetho ke eqondile. Laba abangakufuni ukusebenza ngeke bekuthande vele, bazokuzonda lapho. Bese bajabule laba abathanda ukusebenza. Bazojabula laba abathanda ukusebenza. Yabo? So you can't make everyone happy. You can't. Bakhona abahlezi bazokhala. Basinali ke iqiniso ke. Nento edinga ukuthi yenzeke. Ukuthi wena impilo yakho kwazi lokho ukuthi impilo yakho. Ungazi umuntu ngisho ngakuzonda. Ngisho ngathina as long as when we are happy ngendlela owenza ngayo izinto. As long as we are happy about your decisions, as long as you do ama decisions that favor you, then it's all well and said. Because yazi ukuthi abantu they don't judge us ngendlela thina esiyona ngqo. Umuntu ukujudge ngendlela akuframe ngayo yena. It's not true ukuthi this is the person you are. Unjena kuyena. That is why kukhona omunye umuntu othi, "Hey, Chenji Zakasha is a very cool guy, man, eh? It's a very cool guy." Yes, at the same time, uyohlanga nomunye athi, Chenji Zakasha, uyazazi lo, uyayitshela." Yabo? Why? I'm like this kuwe. It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. The way you've yabo, because I'm living by my rules. Come to I'm living by my rules. Come to this one is living by his rules. He's not part of the tribe, he's not part of the law. When into mengabe kuvuma kuye akazikhohlwa. So khona abantu abazokuthanda kona lokho ukuthi lo muntu akazikhohlwa. Lo muntu lo ungqongqoshe wempilo yakhe. Yabo? Ngeke umtshela ukuthi akenzeni. Wenza izinto ngakama terms akhe. Yabo? Ngoba vele kugcineni izophinda ibuyele la ekuthenini ngisho ungenzani. People will always talk. Uyazi ukuthi abantu bakhuluma ngisho bahlebane bona bebodwa beyazana. Umbona ukuthi lona uzamile ukuba a social butterfly efithayo ini kubona labo ukuze bemthande, bending his or her rules. Kodwa uthi uyezwa ngelinye ilanga bamhleba bona futhi yena. Ubona ukuthi yazini. Yabona lo umsangano. Angazi ukuthi you should be your best friend. Yabo? Khona abanye abantu ukuthi banama transpersonal lines kuma chats abo. Those people vele time to time they will be around people. Yabo, they are babantu based on their energetic configuration. But at the same time, umuntu wabantu unjalo, make sure that your decisions favor you. Make sure khona lapho. Uma ngishabe kuthiwa akubo ukuthi ukuthanda kwakho ukuthi wena sekukhona la olimale khona uzama ukusiza. Sekukhona la wena osacrifice khona. Yabo, wathinteka nje lathi akubo ukuthi vele imini obethanda. It's not that I was compelled in one way or other. I was compelled. No. Akubo ukuthi wena yes okwenzekile, yes I lost, but it was my decision even in the first place. Ayike nebhlungu njengokuthi ngizame konke ukuba relevant. Ngaze ngasacrifice ubumina, but still labantu they do this to me. Umuntu unendaba nomhlaba wakhe kahle kahle la. Akekho umuntu ongafela omunye la. Ngoba ubona nje ukubona izithandana zithandana zihamba zombili. Kuqhamuke inja. Lesa senye sikhumbule seselapha ukuthi konje khona umuntu esihamba naye. Kodwa simthanda tu. I can't live without you. Kodwa simshiye la mase qhamuka izinto. Sijike sesilapha ukuthi hawu konje ngihamba nomuntu. Ngobani? Impilo ingeyakho. Don't try to be relevant. Don't try to fit in. Do things ngendlela ekuvunayo wena, hayi indlela wena ekusabotachayo. Nina abantu othola ukuthi ema chatting enu nama individual lines amaningi. Ngiyangithola umuntu esehlukumezeka ukuthi abantu bamsingila out, is like bamvalela ngapha i-energetic archetype yakho. Indlela oyiyo. Don't try to fit in. By the time you are trying to fit in, you derail from the very core ekwenza ukuthi ube la. Don't try to fit in because there are things that you have to do alone. Love and peace.